think we have a strategy in DNB that pretty much picks up on that. When it was launched some years ago, it was called the guide. There's like some things are, well, there are some like 3 pillars that will remain the same over the course of this 5-year strategy period, five-ish year. And something will change as we go because we don't know everything. And that's like being persistent on the North Star, but flexible on the details and flexible on the path forward. That's an acknowledgement of the future is uncertain. And now the strategy is kind of under refurbishing. That's just a reality check. And instead of just making a 5-year plan and executing it well, it means that something is stable, the North Star, the 3 pillars will remain the same. Halfway down the road, we realize that things have changed. We're inspecting and we're adapting to the terrain. We've learned something and we're adapting. So I think we have a strategy that acknowledges that the future is uncertain and that we need to always have an open mind and adapt to as we learn.